There are many times when a customer doesn't place an order directly from your online store. Some customers may contact you over the phone, through social media, or maybe even asking for a custom package arrangement that isn't available on your site. When that's the case, you, as the store admin, need to create the order manually and then collect the custom payment from your customer. So in this video, you'll see how to create a manual order in FluentCart, set up a new customer profile, and send a custom payment link so your buyers can pay without any hassle. All right, let's do it. So right now, I'm on the FluentCart orders page. To create the order manually, I'll click on Create Order, and a new page opens up with all the options I need. Now, let's say a customer wants a bulk order of shoes, like 50 pairs, and also asking for a discount, apart from the regular coupons. For that, I have to make a custom order. So first, I'll search for the product, and once I find it, I'll add this item to the order. Now, let me specify the quantity of the product. I'll put 50 in here that the customer wanted to have. And as you can see, the total price are calculated based on the quantity. So basically, there is no manual effort, which is great. Anyway, in most custom orders, clients expect a special price, right? So if you offer a discount or if your customer expects a special price deal from you, you can easily set this from the payment section. Let me show you how to apply a discount. All you need to do is click on the Add Discount button. Now, let me just select the discount type and set a flat discounted amount. Also, I like that FluentCart lets me add a reason note here. So I'll write a few words, for example, wholesale discount for returning a customer. You can leave any private comments relevant to the order. It's flexible. If you already had a coupon created, you can apply that too for this order. But in this case, I'm just using a direct discount. Okay, now I need to assign this order to the customer as the client is new to my store. So let's go ahead and create a new customer profile. I'll just fill in the customer's basic information. Okay, you'll also notice a checkbox here. If you enable this, it will create the customer as a WordPress user. There's also a label feature which is super helpful for organizing customers. For example, I can tag this customer as a wholesale buyer to easily filter out later. Okay, everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and click Save. And just like that, the order is created successfully. It's time to collect the payment. Just scroll down to the transaction details section, and from the right, I'll select the payment method for this order. Let's click on Custom Payment Link. FluentCart now generates a secure payment link for this order. Okay, I'll copy the link and send it to the customer. Then the customer can take care of the payment in just a few clicks. But make sure you have activated your preferred payment gateways from the payment settings option. All right, let me quickly test it out to make sure it's working. Okay. And yes, the payment page loads perfectly. As I have already activated PayPal, Paddle, along with Stripe, I'll choose Stripe as the payment method. And when everything is ready, I'll click Place Order. As soon as the payment is processed, FluentCart generates the invoice automatically. The customer can download it or view the full order details. So that's it. So far, you have seen how to create a manual order for handling special customer requests and even send a custom payment link to collect payment and so much more. I hope it helps you understand just how easy it is to use and run your business in FluentCart. So we've only looked at a few things today, but FluentCart has so many features that can seriously boost your store's performance. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.